Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today we'll see in this video a very basic thing that should be known these days, that is how to purchase online any item through Flipkart. A very popular app in India which is used by millions of people. So we'll see how to purchase or how to buy an item on Flipkart. So for that, first of all, you have to download the app in your Android mobile phone. So for that, you have to go to again Play Store. That's my Play Store. Just type Flipkart here. Flipkart. So once you do that, this icon will come. Well, I've already installed my Flipkart app, so it is showing me to just open instead of installing the app. So first time if you are using Flipkart, then you have to install the app, and once you install, you have to then open it. So well, once you open the app, this kind of window will come. You can see in this page all kinds of promotion, ads, all these things will be coming. So for example, I want to buy something on Flipkart. So you can see this tab or this bar here, the search bar here. You can just press the item name here. I'll press like USB lights. I want to buy USB light for computer. Okay, I can see a lot of things are coming. You can see a lot of things are being suggested here. So this is how it recommends your item. You can directly either click on any of it, or you can click search here. If I click search here, you can see all kinds of items. Those are matching with your name. Those things will be coming here. So signature USB port, USB bulb, all this thing, because I have written like USB light for computer. So actually I wanted this kind of things. So you can even see this kind of things if you are not sure of what those things are called. So if something similar to items populates here, you can simply write their name also, like portable USB LED lights. So I will rather improve my search term like portable USB light, portable USB LED light. Many times it happens that you don't know exactly the nomenclature or the name of the product. You just know somewhat by this. You can accurately know the exact name of the product. Still, I think it's coming in the same way. So I want this kind of items. I will see. Okay, let me click this. So one tip for searching is, when you go for searching, you can see the reviews here, and when you are sure of your review, like it is more than 3.5 or 4 with a lot of reviews, not like 1 or 2 reviews, it should have minimum like 50 to 100 reviews. Means a lot of people are purchasing those items. So if you get those kind of reviews in those products, you can click that listing. So like this is like 4 rating, but 12 people have only purchased, but here it is 3.9 rating, but 63 reviews have been given for this product. So it is better to go for this, because a lot of people have tried and tested, although it's like just 0.1 less than this, but a lot of people have purchased. Let me do one thing. I'll go try this one. Let me see, 234 4 or 5 LED lights I'm getting, and here it's like 3 LED lights, 189, but reviews are, a lot of people have purchased that item. So let me see this. So you can see, you can go to the product listing page and see the details of the product. The price is written here. Some offers will be here, like 5% unlimited cashback on Flipkart, extra 5% off. All these things will be here. You can go through that also. Delivery period also it is showing, like delivery by 14 June Sunday, how many days it will show. You can go to the product description as well, all details. I'll press here. Once I press description, nothing much is written here, like colors may vary, specification, metal, plastic, certain requirement, USB port, color multi. Well, it's a very small product. So when you are going for expensive product, it's an advice that you go through every detail of that page, including the return policy as well, because you'll be spending a lot. So if you happen to get some kind of defective product or something which you cannot use, it's better you go to the return policy, whether it could be even returned or not. You have to ensure that. You can see the reviews also, like these are all useful reviews which are populating here on the front, like not a good choice, okay, good, but one is some default, good. Most of the reviews are good. There would be some bad reviews, but you have to see the overall reviews to buy a product. So I'm happy, for example, I'm happy with that. Or else another technique is, you can see the similar products as well. A lot of products with similar listing or almost same to same listing will be coming here. So it actually narrows down your search in this page. So if you're not happy with this listing, you can go and press view all. You can see all kinds of very exact product that you wanted. So this is also a technique. You can see here 4.1 rating, 122 people have reviewed that. I think it's a very fine thing. And you can here see also 3.9 rating, but 2396 people have reviewed. I think this would be a very good choice because a lot of people have already purchased with 3.9 review. It's a good thing. So I'll do one thing. I'll like you have two options here. You can directly go buy now. If you don't have any other products to search for or to add, you can directly press this buy now, or else you can put or click on add to cart. I want to show you this icon. This is the cart icon. When I press add to cart, you can see one product is that red one. You can see that is that has turned into one. So this is my cart, like a basket. You can see a trolley basket. So I'll press one. When I press, I can see my product which I had added here. So here also, when you have added a lot of items, you can see it individually. You can verify the pricing, etc., etc. So here it will be written like quantity 1. Either you can save for later, or you can remove the product also. So I'll do one thing. I want to buy this product, so I'll place order. So once I place this place order, you can see the pricing also is charging like delivery 40 rupees here. So if we add that, then it is coming to around 259. You can check the pricing also in this cart. If you happen to like doubting the price, or you are confused with the price, you can again go visit the page by clicking it here, the listing of the page. You can see here itself it has been shown that 219 and rupees 40 for delivery. Okay, I'll go back, or I'll rather go to cart. I'll place order. So once I place order, it will take me to payment pages, my address, and all those things. So now it has shown like the product, my address, price details, all these things. I'll then continue. Once I continue here it will show all the payment options. So I have to choose anything like UPI, phone pay, credit card, debit card, net banking, cash on delivery, etc., etc. So you can do cash on delivery as well, or else you can go through all these options that has been shown, online options like UPI, credit card, all those things. So I'll go for cash on delivery. I'll place order. So once I place order, it will show something like a, nowadays it is showing some captcha like things to verify that you are a human. I'll press this confirm order. So once I confirm order, you can see your order is placed. So once order is placed, it will show what is the address where the order will be delivered, and this message will also come. So once you log into your account, you have to also give your phone number. Through that phone number, they will be communicating with you regarding your status of your orders and all these things. So this is how you purchase an item from Flipkart. It's so easy. You can use this at this age when you can save a lot of time. You can choose from a lot of, literally like hundreds or thousands of sellers for the same item. So it's quite convenient to go for online purchasing or e-commerce purchase. Do that. So before I end, I'll also show you, just if you happen to think that you are not happy with the product, right? So you want to cancel the order as well. So if you want to do that, then you can go to your home page. I'll just go to my home page. So this is my home page. You can see here at any other point of time also. So you can see my orders. Well, it should be done like before the product is delivered. When you press my orders, you can see this thing is already reflecting on this top half, like the recent orders. You can click this. Once you click here, you can see the status of the order. You can see that it is just ordered. It is not yet packed or shipped. So here you can easily cancel the order as well. If you press this, just if you press, it will ask like you can change the delivery address. Are you sure you can change the delivery address, or why you are canceling, like that? So you can cancel the order as well. So friends, this is quite easy. I hope this video was very useful for you. Please use this. and save a lot of time and choose one of the best products from thousands of sellers by using this Flipkart option. So if you found this video useful, please like this and share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such little small very useful technical videos to make your life easier and happier. Till our next video, see you again. Thank you.